What a fabulous country home here on the golf course, 5-bedroom, fully renovated, fully upgraded. This really is probably one of my best houses I've presented to you this year in 2026. So let's turn around the camera and check it out. As we walk into the doors, you have this beautiful family hallway. You've got 1 bedroom downstairs and 4 bedrooms upstairs. So we're going to start in order so you don't lose your orientation here. So that was the doorway coming in, and we'll just go out there in 1 second. So as we walk in here, you've got the adult lounge, because this is a family home, so you can close the doors and have a little bit of peace away from the children, even though there's a doll's house right out there, the tree house. Here, right near the beginning of the house. You've got a downstairs toilet over here, and everything is just been really finished to a very high quality. And then this gorgeous hallway here. I mean, look at these lights as well. And downstairs here, these both are cupboards, full storage. So it always helps to have lots of storage, lots and lots of shoes there as well. And then we've got 1 bedroom downstairs, which is used as the kids' playroom, which is absolutely great use of space here. And obviously an ensuite bathroom. So all the bedrooms have an ensuite bathroom. As I said, this is actually the playroom, so it's not a bedroom. And I think quite a few of you watching would agree that that's a great kids' playroom. So let's take you into the pièce de la résistance, the main lounge, living area, with this amazing view out to the golf course and your beautiful swimming pool and barbecue area. I mean, it is just a gorgeous home, right? So this is your living area. This is your family and like sort of smart dining area, absolutely gorgeous. Here we have it, again, looking straight out to the golf course and the massive garden. And then, I mean, looks beautiful modern kitchen. Everything has been done to perfection. You've got a wine cooler here. There's your oven. And then more fridges, storage. And then down here, you've got the laundry. And then through here to the maid's room and toilet. So that is your main family living and kitchen. Okay, so whilst we're downstairs, let's just quickly go outside so you can just see what is out here. So here we have it. So if you walk in from the entrance, you walk into this absolutely gorgeous, large sun terrace. You've got a swimming pool right here on the golf course. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Here we have it, just beautiful. What an absolutely gorgeous home, great for outside entertaining. You've got, this looks amazing at night, by the way. You've got a fire pit here so you can sit around and have a drink together with your friends. The views are gorgeous. You've got like the barbecue area, pergola here. You've got a fridge, so you can just do some incredible parties and entertaining out here. And then down the side of the house, you've got access to the garage, double garage, maid's room and the kitchen. So let's come back inside. And now let's head upstairs so you can see the 4 bedrooms. And all the bedrooms are en suite, which is very important. So let's check it out. Okay, so here's the hallway we came into. And then let's take you first to the front bedrooms. So here's one of the bedrooms here. Absolutely gorgeous, isn't that cute? And then you've got the very spacious ensuite bathroom here. Here we have it. And you can see the quality of the upgrade. I mean, you literally can just move in with your suitcase here. Okay, now we'll go to the next bedroom here. So here you have it. Another double room here and an ensuite as well, no less. Very spacious. Okay, and then here in the hallway you can see this lovely tall atrium in the entrance of the hall. We'll go into this bedroom here. And so the front 2 bedrooms obviously have exquisite views over the golf course here. I mean, look at that, just absolutely gorgeous. So if you're a mad golfer, this is definitely the house for you. Again, another ensuite bathroom here. Really, really high quality of bathrooms. And leaving the best till last is the master bedroom, which is massive. I mean, they're always big, these Victory Heights spacious homes, but look at this. That is the view from the master bedroom. It doesn't really get much better than this. And then you've got the walk-in wardrobes here. And of course, not forgetting the bathroom. So his has sinks, beautiful standing tub. You've got a shower there and just absolutely exquisite. So if you would like some more details on this property, look at the description below and you'll see the price, the size, the built up. And then in terms of what to do if you're looking at this property from overseas and you don't know the next steps, well, my telephone number is also below in this video, so click on it and I can take you through the process from start to finish. And if there's any other questions you have on purchasing this property, then get in touch. And very excited to see you very soon to show you around this gorgeous home. There's one more thing at the end I just want to show you, and that was the entrance here, because look at this. When you walk in the house, that's your doorway. Now, isn't that beautiful? So from me to you, thank you so much for watching and take care.